guys, it's Abby in the garage, and today we're taking a look at the drop-in bed mat from Husky, and I have Todd here with me to talk a little bit about it. So first of all, why is this a product that somebody would need?
So you want to protect your truck bed, but you also want to protect the contents. The cool thing about this bed mat, it's got a skid-resistant surface, so it's going to keep anything that you're hauling in one spot.
So what sort of makes this different from others perhaps on the market?
So we've decided to take a little bit of a different approach and use some premium materials. We use a virgin material. It's a flexible PVC. Essentially, we're not using reground plastic or rubber tires. Our goal is to have a mat that doesn't smell like a tire factory or rubber factory when you come out to your garage every day.
So if someone's not having a GMC Sierra like this one, what are some of the other applications that you guys have?
So we have unique vehicle applications, but we also have two universal applications that can be trimmed to fit.
So what kind of warranty are we looking at, since this is something in the back of our truck and it's seeing sort of some wear and tear?
It takes a lot of abuse, but we do offer a lifetime warranty on all of our bed mats.
As far as installation goes, we're looking at a 1 out of 10, and it's super simple and won't take you that much time. So what do we really have to do here?
So basically it's going to come rolled up. You'll have to unroll it, and if you see any memory that's kind of left in this rubber mat or PVC mat, lay it out in the sun for a few minutes and those should relax within 20 minutes.
Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the drop-in bed mat from Husky. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Performance Corner in the garage.